There's a dog chasing me. Somebody help me! Save me! Help me! No! I've got to get inside this tent. So before he gets out, he's coming! He's a murderer! He's trying to get me! Somebody help me! He's gonna kill me! He's gonna kill me! He's gonna die! Somebody help! I gotta fight back! Wait, no, I gotta hide. As usual. Get back! 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 Hiding is my plan! And I am doing it very well, but my foot is stuck. Okay. Okay. I'm inside here. He can't get to me. He's evil. Oh, God, he got it! Okay. I will see you later. Because that was just a test. There's no murder on the loose. Of course, you already knew that. But pitched me a tent. How's that? So that was my dog playing the murderer and me playing the victim.